Hey guys, what's up? How are you? I hope that you guys are having an amazing day today. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and thank you so much for being here again. If you are a returning subscriber, if you are new, hi, my name is Gerel, and in today's video, you guys already know we're going to be unboxing for a BOXYCHARM. They kindly sent all of these 3 boxes to me, which are the base box, premium box, and luxe box. So if you are interested in seeing the unboxing and also the try-on portion of this video, please keep on watching. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like. That definitely helps out my channel a lot, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. You can also click on the little bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's get on to the video. Alright guys, so just in case you are new to this beauty community and you have no idea what BOXYCHARM is, it is a subscription service and you have different tiers. So you do have the base box for $25, the premium box for $35, and the luxe box, which comes every 3 months, for $50. So you can, or for $49.99. I will link all the information down in the description area just in case you are interested. I do also have a link, so if you do use my link to subscribe to BOXYCHARM, I do get a small commission. So thank you very much in advance if you actually do use my link. So let's go ahead and start with the unboxing. We're going to start with the base box, then premium, and then luxe box. So in every single box, you're going to find this little card right here that gives you all the information of all the products that you have in your box, as well as the retail price. So the first product that I'm super excited for, is this one right here from Glam Glow. The Glam Glow Youth Mud Glow Stimulating and Exfoliating Treatment Mask. It retails for $60. So I have used this mask in the past and it is amazing, but I really focus it on my T-zone. I do have an oily T-zone, and I also have blackheads, you know, like the yucky stuff on your skin, and this definitely helps out in just pulling all of that impurity. You definitely want to focus it in the T-zone, or if you have any breakouts, you definitely want to put it there. All right, so the next thing in our box is this Huda Beauty Demi Matte Cream and Lipstick in the shade Day Slayer, and this retails for $20. And the next item that we have here is from Georgette Klinger, and this is the Marula Primer. It retails for $32. This item that we have is from Pinky Rose Cosmetic, and this is a multi-use makeup base stick, and this retails for $20. All right, so the last product that we have is this one, which is from the brand Insert Name here, and this is the Quick Slick Hair Essence, and this retails for $22. So I was actually watching a BOXYCHARM video on Instagram, and I did see that you can actually just tame your flyaways, which I love that, especially when I wear my hair like this in a ponytail. I do have little tiny hairs that they just don't like to behave. So let's go ahead and try it on. The hairs around my hairline are the ones that just do not like to behave. So this is definitely going to come in handy. So that is all the products that you get in the base box. Let's go ahead and open up the premium box. The first thing in my box is this one from Fenty Beauty. This is the Snap Eyeshadow Mix and Match Eyeshadow Palette, and this is $25. When I saw the color story for this little palette right here, it speaks Gerel, because I absolutely love these colors right here, and of course fall because this is a perfect palette for fall for sure. The next product that we have here is from Laura Mercier. I love Laura Mercier, and this is the Soothing Eye Makeup Remover, and this retails for $27. So the next product that we have is from the brand Herbivore Botanical, and this is the Blue Tansy Resurfacing Clarity Mask, and this retails for $48. And this right here is super heavy, and that looks so good. Like, look at that mask. It's really nice in green. Oh, this color is so pretty. Packaging really nice and heavy. You can leave it for 20 minutes or you can leave it for 5 to 10 minutes if you do have sensitive skin. The tingling sensation is definitely normal. So next item is from Beauty Bakery, and this is the Milk and Honey Highlighting Palette, and this retails for $38. All right, so the next product that we have is the Complex Culture Beauty, and this is the Sonic 7 Bar Facial Massager, and it retails for $58. So you also need to add batteries to it, but I'm interested in seeing how this works, and it actually looks really nice. Love the color. and yeah, we'll see. So the next product that we have here is from the brand Verb, and this retails for $18. It is the Ghost Oil. It is to help you to tame your flyaways as well as to provide you with shine. It gives you really good results from root to bottom. That's what it claims. So we will be trying this one. Let me just smell, because that means a lot. Okay, so it doesn't have a really strong scent, but it does smell really nice and clean, which I like that. So it feels really nice and soft on my hair. We will continue on trying this product. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox the last box, which is the Luxe box. And this right here has a different card. As you can see, definitely fall appropriate, and I am so happy about that. All right, so the first items that I'm going to show you are duos, and this is a shampoo and conditioner from the brand Autre. I'm pretty sure that maybe that's not how you say it, but I'm gonna say it like that because, you know, I'm feeling a little fancy today. But this is the Best Buds shampoo and conditioners duo, and this retails for $66. I did smell it, and it smells really good, and it smells like I am at a salon, which is all the vibes, so for sure. I also wanted to just double check on the shampoo and conditioner to make sure that it was going to be suitable for my hair, and this is going to be good for all hair types, so I will keep you guys posted for sure. All right, so the next product that we have is from Rare Beauty, and this is the Brow Harmony Pencil and Gel, and this retails for $22. I did get mine in the shade Rich Taupe. This pencil right here, I can give you a little review because I already tried it. It's not my favorite, but with the Patrick Ta, which is what I have on my brows right now, it actually works really nice, just because the pencil is so creamy that it kind of slides, but because the Patrick Ta gel like holds onto your brows so tight, it's actually, it's like both of them together are perfection, and it was one of my subscribers that told me to try that. So yeah, been loving that combination. It's not my color, so I might actually have to give it away to someone, but I will be using my Rare Beauty so you guys can see it in action in the try-on portion of it. So the next item that we have here is from MAC Cosmetics, and this is the 83 Siren Lash. This retails for $18. So the next item that we have here is from Saturday Skin, and here is the jar. I was waiting for this one. I know that we had a moisturizer, and this is the Saturday Skin Pretty Pop Probiotics Power Whip Cream, and this retails for $57. So the next product that we have is from KAB or CAB Cosmetics. This is the contour palette, and this retails for $60. I already opened it, and I am super in love with this palette, especially to put it in my makeup kit whenever I decide that I am ready to do makeup again. I do have a little baby. Well, I have 3 kids, but one that was just born almost a year and a half ago, and I have not been away from him, and because of the pandemic and stuff like that, I haven't really been working on putting makeup on anybody, but I am so ready, and this palette is definitely going to be an amazing one for my makeup kit, so I'm really excited to use it. So here we have a brand that I've never heard of, and this is from the new company, and this is the Defense Drops, and it retails for $35. So if you are getting sick, or if you're feeling like you're coming down with something and you want to boost your immune system, just use a couple of drops. That is what it says. I don't know how I feel about this one. I actually do have to do a little bit more research in regards of this brand and the ingredients and all of that, so I will be doing a little bit more research on this for sure. Another brand that I've never heard of is this one right here, which is the Lifestyle Company, and this is the Bamboo Body Polish. This retails for $49. So it doesn't smell too strong. It does have those little beads, so you can definitely exfoliate your skin. So I will be trying this one for sure. This is vegan, paraben free, and sulfate free. All right, so the next product that we have is this one right here, and this is the Froze Lip Scrub, and it comes in this little jar right here. This looks really kitty, so it's pretty much pink sugar. It looks like fun and a little messy. This is so messy. Definitely do this on top of a sink. All right, so my skin got really red after trying this mask right here, but I'll keep you guys posted for sure. But whoa. All right, so I'm going to prime my eyes using my P. Louise base so we can move on to eyeshadows. Right, so I'm going to start with this green shade right here. I'm just going to put it on my crease as my transition shade. I'm taking this green right here and I'm going to add that to the crease. All right, I'm going to add this shade right here to the outer corner. So you do have to build these shades up to the intensity that you like. It does take a little while for them to show up on your eyelid, but they do show up and they are blending just fine. Oh, this shade is really nice. Okay, that shade was actually a lot easier to work with than what I thought it was going to be. Grabbing this bronzy shade, and I'm gonna use this one for the inner corner. So grabbing that bronzy shade and just taking it halfway. Grabbing a blending brush, a small blending brush, and with the bronzy shade, just making sure that this is blending with the other shades that we have. All right, now taking this shimmery shade for the rest of the lid. And overlapping it with the brown. All right guys, let's go ahead and clean up. All right, now using my own Rare Beauty Brow Harmony, and I got it in the shade a Deep Brown. So BOXYCHARM sent me Deep Taupe, but it's gonna be too light for me. And even this one is a little bit too warm for my liking, but I always make it work. Like that, and I'm gonna do the other brow.
You love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me.
All right guys, so this is the final look and I am loving it. I'm feeling fall for sure. All I need is pumpkin spice latte and that's it. I'm like totally fall already. So I know that we get different variations, but a lot of positive definitely in all of the boxes. Let me know in the comment section down below which was your favorite unboxing out of the 3 boxes, and let me know if we got the same box. So yeah, I hope that you like it. I hope that this was helpful to you guys, and that's it. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I will see you next time. Bye.